Taxi protest intensifies. Commuters are left stranded for a second day as taxi operators park their vehicles as the protest spreads outside the corporate area. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, the sign causing a stir. The TVJ Co defends its plan to spend $17 million to welcome people to Montego Bay.
More powers needed. The police make the case for greater authority to go after gang members as Parliament continues revision of anti-gang legislation.
Bloody rampage. Gunmen shoot 4, one fatally in Santa Cruz Market.
There are no rats. Classes resume at Cross Keys High in Manchester after health inspector did not identify rodents, which led to it being closed.
And in business news, Act Now. JMEA president expresses frustration at the pace of procurement regulation.
There's also sports commentary and weather in the primetime package, but before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what are your views on the taxi protests about the increased fines and owners taking responsibility for the actions of their drivers under the revised Road Traffic Act?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet at television jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.